Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your lockpicking skill in Gothic 1 Remake. The lockpicking skill is an essential upgrade since one of the changes in the remake makes lockpicking much more challenging. First things first, you need to be in the old camp. Stand in front of Thoris, then turn left and follow my path. You'll eventually find an NPC named Fingers. Interact with him and he'll give you the option to upgrade your lockpicking skill. This upgrade removes the lockpick reset when you break a pick, increases the number of mistakes you can make before a lockpick breaks, and reduces the complexity of locks. He'll ask you to lockpick a chest and steal a ring from the hut on your left. You can also complete this quest for some easy early game experience. And that's how to upgrade your lockpicking skill in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.